Hello everyone, today I'm making corn multicolors steamed rice cake, and the inside stuffing is mung beans with pork and cashew. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. That means a lot to me. Thank you. So I have one piece of pork belly because I make only two cakes. So if you want to make more, and you should, you can double or triple my recipe, multiply. So if you get not a recipe not fast enough, you can pause your machine and write down. So now I am in the stage that I cook my pork. This pork I already cook in my broth, so they are much tender. It is tender. Now I just need to cook in here so that it more flavor of the fish sauce, sugar, chilies, and broth. Now my rice am cooked too, and this is mung beans. So rice and mung bean you soaked for up to 6 to 8 hours, and then before that you wash, and then you soak and you drain, and then you cook. For the mung bean, I add green onion and 1 tablespoon chicken fat, rendered chicken fat. That way my mother did long time, and it's delicious. So that's it. You have all the components, and the color rice, they were left over from previous sticky steam rice cake. You can refer to my previous to that video for how to extract the color, how to cook the rice until this point. Now I make a cone by using parchment paper, and I put my color rice in first, and I try to fan it on around because I want to make room to put the cashew and the mung beans and the meat inside. So the rice cake means rice enclose the stuffing inside, so the outside need to be a rice. You can see in my cone I try to fan the white rice on top here and on around, and I put in cashew, mung bean. You can see that I make room for the meat by fanning out the mung bean as well. And I keep doing the rice around so that I make sure that all the stuffing is inside the meat, inside the rice. On top of the meat, I put another layer of mung bean, and that's it. Now I can use the rice to enclose everything. You know, when it comes to rice cake, we have many shapes and sizes. The size you can do big or small, but the shape you can do rectangle rectangular, cylinder, and cone shape. Now this is the cone shape. So after you done with the rice covering, you just enclose folding the parchment paper, and then here you go. You have a cone shaped cake. You notice that the top of it is show. So I show you another way by folding the parchment paper like so, and then you don't have the hole on top. Again, you fan out on the color rice, and then I put cashew in, and then mung bean in, and then the pork belly. But before that, I make sure I use the sauce that concentrated when I cooked pork belly. This is very tasty, and it will be tasty cake. Again, now on top I cover the mung bean and then the rice. I try to cover everything, and then I enclose folding the parchment paper, enclose the cake. You don't need to be very careful, because after this we will use a saran wrap to wrap it one more time outside, so that when we go steaming, the cake are protected inside, not soggy by water penetrating. Okay, I get a piece of saran wrap, and I wrap it around, enclose. So you do the same thing with the other piece, and then you're ready for the steamer. The water boiling, and you cover it, and you steam for 1 hour. So fast. And then, ta-da! You have I remove all the paper on the wrap, and this is the products. So beautiful, and you will see. I break it open, and you are invited to taste it with me. Thank you for watching. I see you soon. Bye bye.